Hello students of class 5. So already we have done with the 2.6 exercise of your lesson number 2, and now we'll be continuing with the applications of division in daily life, that is the problem sums. So just look at the first question of exercise 2.7. There were 62910 participants from 45 countries in a youth sports meet. How many youth participated from each country? Assume that there were equal number of participants from each country. So, just look at the solution. Total number of participants, that is given 62910, and number of countries is also given 45. So here you have to find the participants from each country. 62910 divided by 45. So when we'll divide it, see the division I have done. 45 ones are 45. Then it gives you 17. 9 descends down. 45 threes are 135. 1 again descends down. 45 nines are 405. 360. 45 eights are 360. So the quotient is 1398. So the number of participants from each country is the quotient. Always the answer will be the quotient which you have found after division. Next, the question number 2. Government distributed rupees 66,56,800 equally among 53 families affected by floods. How much money did each family get? So, money distributed is 66,56,800. Number of families are 53. So, money received by each family will be 66,56,800 divided by 53. So, when you will divide it, just as you divided in the previous 6 exercises, the division is of the same method. You will get the quotient as 125600. So the quotient you are getting, it will be the answer. So money received by each family will be 1,25,600 rupees. Now the third question is just like those we have done above. So I'll do the fourth question for you. The fourth question is, there are 99,89,001 number of apples packed in 999 cartons. How many apples are packed in each carton? So number of apples is given 99,89,001. Number of cartons is 999. Now number of fruits in each carton. 99,89,001 divided by 999. You will divide it. You will get the quotient as 9999. 999 into 9 gives 8991. The remainder is 9980 in this step. 0 descends down. Again it will be multiplied by 9. So all time you have to multiply by 9 and the quotient will become quadruple 9. So the quotient is the answer. Each carton has 9,999 fruits. This is the answer. Now next and last topic in this chapter is estimation in operations. So in our daily life we come across several situations involving use of numbers. Sometimes for convenience we do not use exact or actual numbers. We use numbers that are easy to work and close enough to the exact numbers. So this is what we call estimation in operations. Now, whenever you are asked to find the answer in terms of estimated numbers and you are not mentioned up to nearest what, so you have to use the general rule, that is estimations are done up to maximum place value. Suppose you have been given a number, example I am given 296. So you are being told estimate this number. So you will have to estimate it to its maximum value, that is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 is its maximum value. So you have to estimate this number to its maximum value. So let's understand this with the exercise number 2.8. First question is, Nidhi is reading a book that contains 9465 pages. She has read 3255 pages. About how many pages are unread? Here you have to do subtraction as it's clear from this. Now number of pages in the book is 9465. It's in thousands, maximum place value. So 9465 estimated up to nearest 1000 will get now 9000. Number of pages read is 3255. 3255 estimated to nearest 1000 because the highest place value is 1000 in this number also. It will become 3000. Number of pages unread. That means the number of pages, total number of pages minus the number of pages read. So you will get 6000 as the answer. Now we'll look at the question number 3. In a city, daily 27,120 newspapers are distributed equally among 320 news agents. About how many newspapers does each news agent get to distribute in various parts of the city? So in this question, there's a very important point which is to be considered. total newspapers are 27120. Here, the maximum place value is 10,000. Still, it is to be rounded off to 1,000 only. This thing you have to keep in mind. It is to be rounded off to 1,000's place. So, estimated to nearest 1,000, it gave 27,000. Number of news agents is 320. This you will round off to nearest 100. It will give you 300. Now, total newspapers are this and estimated news agents are this. So, number of newspaper each news agent gets. It's 27,000 divided by 300. When you will divide it, you will get 90. How this division we have done? 3 zeros. 300 into 9s are 2700. 1 0 is there, it will descend down. 300 into 0 gives you 0. 0 minus 0, 0. This way you have to do. The divisions involving 0 at the last places, in that divisions, you have to descend every 0 down and you have to add that much number of zeros at the quotient. So this is how you will do this division. So the total number of newspapers will be 90. That means the quotient will be the answer. The remaining parts of 2.7 and 2.8 are same as I have done in this exercise video. You have to do them in your homework. I hope the topic is clear to you. Go through the video well to understand it more comfortably. God bless you.